Hi there. I wanted to make a little video to help you understand how to do the Plan Ahead menu. So I am here on my my.usu.edu page and I've already logged in. I'm going to get in the banner section. You might have to click on banner to open that up. And we're going to go to the registration menu. This time we're going to use the Plan Ahead option because it is prior to the actual registration period. I'm going to go ahead with fall of 20. And you can see that in my plan I already have Psychology 1010 from when I was in here previously. But I'm going to edit that same plan. And maybe I would like to look for History 1700, which I know is going to fill a Breadth American Institution requirement. So I'll just put that in, do a regular search, and you can see that I can view sections or I can just add the course. If you choose Add Course, it is not going to let you choose what section or what time you sign up for. But if I select View Sections, you can see it shows me all of the options. So I'm just going to choose, it looks like it's only online this semester. That's what I can tell from this. So I'm going to go down to the LO1, which is the section that I would choose as a Logan student. And there's LO1. I'm going to add that to my schedule. Also, you can search by attribute. So I'm going to go back and do another search. Get rid of this class. I'm going to do an advanced search this time. And there's attribute. That's the one I want. And I want to look for a depth, life, and physical science course. So I can just put in DSC and then select that one and do a search. And again, we've got add course or view sections. So let's see what looks interesting. I think I'm going to go to the next page and see what I can find. A lot of good ones to choose from. Let's go with the Earth Through Time. So I'm going to view sections. Oh, and it looks like that one's not actually available this semester. So I'm going to go ahead and keep looking. One of my favorites is the Geology 3100, which is natural disasters. So let's go find that one. Here it is, natural disasters. What is available? Okay, it looks like I can take the on-campus section at 3 o'clock. So go ahead and add that to my schedule. And then I'm going to save my plan. Now you notice, even though I don't technically have the prerequisite for that natural disasters course, it still let me add it to my plan. So don't be fooled thinking that that's actually letting you in past a prerequisite. Once registration opens up for your session, you can go in and add this Plan Ahead and put it right into registration, and you won't have to enter each class individually again. You can just add the entire schedule.